Hello, this is Joseline Nicholas. I'm a realtor here in Southern Ontario, and I'm a real estate investor as well. Today, I'm here with yet another market update for the month of August. I just want to take a quick time to look at what's happening in our market, because I know that you as investors or as my clients, you do need the regular market update so you can make the right decisions given what the market is doing. So looking at our market this month, it looks like we have an increase in the average price. In the last few months, if you've been following, you know that we had, if you can see on my screen, we had more like a soft market where prices were declining. This was definitely a good time to pick up some properties, buy some really amazing deals. In most cases, in the last few months, we didn't have multiple offer situation in most properties. But now coming in July and August, we definitely started to see multiple offer situations again. And as you can see, this graph I'm showing you is for Waterloo region. We did have the price of a home increased to $730,000. That is 22% higher than it was in August of 2020. So our prices are picking up again. And as I've been saying in the last few videos that I made, prices usually go up over time. In this case, we did have a softer market just because of everything that's going on with our market. Economists and specialists had predicted that we would have a softer market, but as you can see, usually when these soft markets come, they don't last too long. I'm staying away from saying a buyer's market because we definitely did not see a buyer's market. It was a softer seller. It was still a seller's market, but it was slightly softer than it's been in the past. So as you can see right now, our market is picking up again and prices are increasing. So what I usually tell my clients is if you see a really good deal and you don't buy it this month, you have to pay more for the same deal next month. And that's the case right now. What we're seeing that properties on average, the average price of a home in Waterloo region was $700,000 in June. And now in August, we were looking at $730,000. I think this number will definitely increase for September because me being on the ground, looking at properties every day, I'm definitely seeing more and more of multiple offer situations coming back. Yesterday, I offered, I was looking at a property that my client was interested, and we had 21 offers. The final count was 21 offers. I'm going to tell you that we didn't have a lot of that in August and in these months, like from June, July, and August. We didn't have a lot of multiple offer situations. But the fact that these things are coming back just means that the market is picking up again. So let's look at another market just to see what's happening in Guelph. So similar story in Guelph, where our market has been going up. So this was January of 2021. March of 2021. In Guelph, it was very unique. We continued to see an increase in prices up until May. So in May, our price was still going up at $740. But then since May, June was a softer month, so our prices declined. July was also soft. However, in August, we see the prices are starting to go up again. So 742 is the highest prices have ever, it's the highest price of a home that we've ever paid in Guelph on average. And 742 as a price of a home is 17% higher than it was last year. So prices are definitely going up. And if we are to look at Hamilton, so in Hamilton, similar story. We were having slower months where prices were declining a little bit. However, right now our prices are picking up again. And as we speak, the average price of a home in Hamilton is around $730,000, which is 21% higher than it was in August of 2020. So bottom line is our prices are starting to pick up again. As you can see in all three cities that we looked at, the arrow is pointing upwards, which means things are starting to pick up again. We did see this in 2017 as well, where the market was very hot for the first few months. And I believe it was around April when we saw a decline, prices started to decline. However, it didn't last too long. The decline was there for about 4 or 5 months and then started picking up again. So I believe that that's a similar story that we're seeing here with our market. And if you're thinking to buy, this is definitely a good time to buy something, because if you don't, you'll end up paying more for the same property that you're looking at right now. So that's it about a market update for this month. If there's any question, please reach out to me and I will be happy to help. If there's any question also about specific markets that I didn't cover in this video, let me know. For the purpose of this video, I like to only do 3 cities, because if I increase it to 4 or 5 videos, it becomes too much information. It becomes hard to follow. But if you have any questions about other cities, I do have the data. Let me know and I'll be happy to provide that for you. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.